As myself, my name is Alvamshi Krishna, studying in 10th standard B section. I am from TSWRS Boys Damalgidda. Okay, friends, all of you had your breakfast? Okay, I also had my breakfast. Okay, friends, all of you seems bored. So I want to say a wonderful story for you. All of you ready? Okay, let's go. Like all mothers, Sita loved her family and she wanted her children to strong, clever and healthy. However, over a few months, she watched her children slowly get sicker and sicker. She don't know how to make them better. This is the story of a mother in Naranpet. Over a few months, her daughter Geeta changed stopped playing with her friends and was so tired all the time. Her abdomen started to swell, her arms and legs got very thin, and Sita see her ribs poking into her chest. Then her hair started to go yellow and reddish, and chunks started falling. Sita kept trying to feed her, but she wasn't interested, would turn her head away from her. She got reports from teacher that she was falling asleep in the class. They should go to health center because this could be caused by the food we are feeding their children. Her husband was surprised they feed their family the same as all families: sweet potatoes, bananas, and cassava. In these food, random Barnyardins have eaten for centuries. When they contacted the health worker, health worker checked Geeta and she said that Geeta was seriously suffering with malnutrition. Today we are going to learn is malnutrition. Before going to learn about malnutrition, we have to learn about nutrition to clearly understand about malnutrition. Nutrition is the science of foods which interacts with the nutrients and other substances in the food. It also includes digest, ingest, transports, utilizes and disposes the end products. Now let us learn about the nutrients in our food. Proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals. Proteins in our body help for growth of our body. Carbohydrates gives us energy. Fats store the energy in our body, and vitamins and minerals have several other uses in our body, so they all are essential nutrients for our body. Most of the people are suffering with various diseases due to lack of balanced diet. So it is important to learn about food deficiency diseases. So now let us learn about malnutrition. What is malnutrition? Lack of proper nutrition or excessive nutrition is called as malnutrition. According to the Global Hunger Index 2020, which was adopted by the International Food Policy Research Institute, Chad was the most affected by the malnutrition and hunger, with the index of 44.7, and Timor-Leste followed by the index of 38.7. Out of the world malnourished children in the world, 80% live in Asia and 50% live in Africa and 5% live in Latin America. Let us learn about the causes of the malnutrition. Poor health, willful starvation, lack of awareness of nutritional habits, social economic factors like poverty. Now let us learn about the types of malnutrition. Protein malnutrition, protein calorie malnutrition, calorie malnutrition. Protein malnutrition. Lack of protein leads to the protein malnutrition. Lack of both proteins and calories leads to protein calorie malnutrition. Next, calorie malnutrition. Lack of calories in our food leads to calorie malnutrition. For kwashiorkor is one of the example. Now let us clearly learn about the kwashiorkor. Kwashiorkor is very common in the countries where the limited supply or lack of food. In Southeast Asian and Latin America, Central America and Sub-Saharan Africa, most of the children suffering from kwashiorkor. The kwashiorkor disease is a protein deficiency disease. The symptoms of the kwashiorkor: swollen legs, moon face, diarrhea, dry skin, edema, and thus swollen legs and swollen stomach due to accumulation of water, and there is very poor development of the muscles. Is a condition characterized by the excessive of watery fluid accumulated in the intracellular spaces of the tissues is called as edema. Now let us learn treatment for the kwashiorkor disease. Ingestion of protein-rich foods like egg, milk, meat, red gram, etc. And dietary combination is about 2 to 3 grams of protein per kg, and the treatment will be concentrated on the measuring of plasma albumin concentration. Marasmus is a disease which is deficiency of both proteins and calories, and marasmus is a serious problem and which is belongs to the protein energy malnutrition. Marasmus is a serious problem and common in the developing areas like Africa, Asia and Central America, Latin America. And the symptoms of the marasmus is lean and weak, less developed muscles, dry skin and diarrhea and growth retardation and anemia. Let's learn the treatment for the marasmus. The treatment of the marasmus initially includes the dried skim milk powder mixture along with the boiled water, and later this mixture includes also vegetable oils such as sesame, casein and sugar. Obesity belongs to the calorie malnutrition. Obesity, apart from all other deficiency diseases, obesity is different. Taking the high caloric food leads to the obesity. Now let us see what are the causes of the obesity. Overeating and less energy using or inactive activities are the causes of the obesity, and the unused calories in our body stored as fat and become very fat. These are the causes for the obesity. Now let us see symptoms. Gaining over fat and becoming overweight and a pot belly and fatigue and snoring, pain in joints are the symptoms of the obesity. Now treatment for the obesity is our doctor will ask the history of our family and they recommend diagnosis test for the physical test. Then they give treatments. They are asked to change in the food habits and physical activities, and we have to and behavioral changes, exercise and physical workout, and weight loss surgery or weight loss medication or the treatment for the obesity. The top 10 countries with the highest obesity rates. 1. Nauru 61%, Cook Islands 55.9%, Palau 55.3%, Marshall Islands 52.9%, Tuvalu 55.3%, New 50%, Tonga 48.2%, Soma 47.3%, Kiribati 46%, Micronesia 45.8%, and our country's India percent is 10.3%. From the topic, I will ask few questions. Please answer for the question. Marasmus is a disease caused due to deficiency of which nutrients? Yes, you are right. The marasmus disease caused due to deficiency of both proteins and calories. Child in the figure or suffering from the disease, can you name it? Yes, you are right. It is kwashiorkor. And the boy in the figure suffering from a malnutrition, can you name the disease? Yes, you are right. It is marasmus. Now please note on the homework.